We're making a creamy and delicious detox smoothie with blueberries, lemon, banana, and ginger. It's high in protein with Greek yogurt, protein powder, cashew butter, and chia seeds to keep you feeling full and satisfied all morning long. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. To make this really easy smoothie, we're going to start with an upright blender, and I'm just going to use the smoothie cup that comes with my blender. And then we're going to start with a base of some milk, and you can use any kind that you like. I really like using unsweetened almond milk. So I'm just going to add half a cup of milk. Now you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in the video description, and that will take you to the full recipe with all the details. Next we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of frozen blueberries, but you can also use fresh. Next I'm going to add half of a frozen banana, and I really like to just peel my bananas and then freeze them individually and then store them in my freezer so I can add them to my smoothies. And for protein and creaminess, we'll add 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Now Greek yogurt is a little on the tangy side, so if you'd like to have it a little more subtle, you could use cottage cheese instead. And that cottage cheese is going to get blended smooth so you won't have that curdled texture. Next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of some lemon juice. You could certainly add more if you'd like it to be a little extra tangy. And for protein, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of vanilla protein powder. And my family really likes this organic protein powder because it's naturally sweetened and we really like the flavor. And for some more creaminess and healthy fat, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cashew butter, but you can use any nut butter that you like. And for even more nutrition, we'll add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. And then we want to add about 1/4 teaspoon of some ginger. And it's really delicious if you can use fresh ginger, but you can also use dry ground ginger if that's all you have. So I'm just going to grate in about 1/4 teaspoon. You want to be careful to not add too much because this can be pretty strong. And then we're just going to screw on the lid, put it on our base, and blend until smooth. Now we have this very creamy and incredibly smelling smoothie. So now we can just pop in our straw and enjoy. That is so delicious. First you get that really fresh blueberry flavor, and then you get that tang coming in from the lemon as well as the Greek yogurt. And then it finishes off with that little bit of ginger that is so good. And I love that it's made with clean, natural ingredients, which means I'm gonna feel just as good even after I enjoy it. If you could use more healthy inspiration on a regular basis, I invite you to join my email list. All you have to do is click on the link in the description below, and that is the best way for us to stay connected. And I want to thank you for joining me today in my kitchen. I've included the link to the full recipe in the video description, and that takes you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.